April 16th, a day of milestones and tragedies.
April 16th holds a unique place in history, weaving together moments of innovation, tragedy, and celebration. While not every year brings earth-shattering events on this date, a closer look reveals a fascinating tapestry of the human experience. One historical landmark associated with April 16th is the Great Chicago Fire. Though the presentation mistakenly places it in 1866, the fire actually occurred in 1871, leaving a devastating mark on the city. On a more positive note, April 16th also celebrates the birth of iconic figures. The legendary silent film actor and filmmaker Charles Chaplin was born in 1889, leaving behind an enduring legacy of humor and social commentary. The world of physics also cherishes this date as the birthday of James Clerk Maxwell in 1831, a pioneer whose contributions are fundamental to modern physics. However, April the 16th also carries the weight of tragedy. The horrific Oklahoma City bombing in 1995 remains etched in American memory as one of the deadliest domestic terrorist attacks in the country's history. Similarly, the Columbine High School massacre of 1999 stands as a stark reminder of gun violence and the need for stricter regulations. Beyond these somber events, April 16th also ushers in moments of joy and wonder. The magical world of Walt Disney World officially opened its doors in 1971, bringing smiles to countless children and adults alike. As space enthusiasts can celebrate the rediscovery of the asteroid Vesta in 1807, a significant event in understanding our solar system. Nature lovers can also partake in National Take a Walk in the Park Day, a delightful reminder to appreciate the beauty of the outdoors. Finally, depending on the year, April 16th can also mark the beginning of Passover, a significant Jewish holiday commemorating the Israelites' liberation from slavery in Egypt.
In conclusion, April 16th is a day rich with historical significance. It is a day that reminds us of human resilience in the face of tragedy, the power of innovation and creativity, and the simple joys of nature and celebration. By understanding the events associated with this date, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human history.